Good morning students, myself Bhagwati Prajapati and I am your maths teacher. Yes, today we will do our maths book in Cordova. In Cordova we will do our activity 4. Activity 4 of page number 15 and 16. Page number 15 and 16. So students, let's start. Today's date is 15th of July 2020. We are doing our classwork. Okay, so question 1 is write the predecessor and successor. Write the predecessor and successor of the following number following numbers. Okay students, so let's start. What is the mean of predecessor and successor? First of all, I am telling you what is the mean of predecessor. Pre means pehle. If you have any number like you have 29, that means we have to write predecessor of 29. Predecessor means just before a number. That means you less 1 from the number. You will less from the number. That number will come 28. That means 28 is the predecessor of 29. Predecessor means just before number. We always less 1 from the given number. And what is the mean of successor? That means just after number of the given number. What will come after 29? Yes, 30. What will come after 29? 30. We can add 1 also. 9 and 1, 10 and 1 carry. We have here 3. That means 30 is the successor of 29. 30 is the successor of 29. Okay students, predecessor means just before a number. What will come before 29? Yes, 28 will come, and after 29, 30 will come. So let's start in our question. Okay, question C is 18, 251 or 200. This is the international place value. Because in Indian place value system we always put commas after. First we have 100, after that we got 1000, 2 digit will 1000, again 2 digit will lakh and crore. Now we have here 3 digit. Now we have 3 digit after comma. This is the international place value. Okay, international place value. Now we have next number is question F, 59, 69, 79 or 899, and this is a Indian place value because we have 2 digits after 100. We have 2 digits. Okay, so this one is Indian place value system. This is the Indian place value system. Okay, so let's start students our solution. Okay, write here predecessor. We will write here number and we will write here successor. Or caution, C is 18, 25, 1 and 200. Okay, and we will write second number. 59, 69, 79 and 899. Okay, this one is a number. We have to write predecessor and successor of the numbers of the given numbers. Okay, predecessor means we will write just before the given number. That means we will start from this. What will come before 200? Before 200, 199 will come before 200. If you will solve like here, we will subtract 1 from the number. We have 10, 0. We will make this 10. 10 में से 1 less करेंगे 9. We have here 9 and it will become 1. So what will come before 200? 199. 199 and write all the number. 18, 2, 5, 1. Okay students. And what is the successor of this number? Successor means we will add 1. So we will add 1 in 200. So we will add 1 in 200. What will come? 201. 201. 1, 2, 0 or 2. 201. So we will write 18, 25, 1 or 201. Okay students. Next question is F. We have to write predecessor. Students, why I took 3 digits in first? Because we have 0 here. We have 0 here. So we can't less from any number from 0. So I took 3 digits. Now I can less 1 from 9. So I took only 1 number. Less 1 from 9. What will come? 8. What will come? 8. That means 98. 5, 9, 6, 9, 7, 9, 898. The number name. If you will read number name, this one is 100, 1000, lakh or crore. 59 crore, 69 lakh, 79,898. Now we have to write successor. What is the meaning of successor? We will add from a number. Okay, so if we will add 1 from this number, in this number what will come? 9 plus 1, 0. Matlab that means 10. We got the carry. We have 9 and plus 1, it will become 10 and we will got carry and 900 it will become. Students, why I took 3 digits? Because if we add 1 in 9, it will come 10. This also will become 10 and this will become 9. So we will add 1 from 899. What it will come? 900. What it come? 900. So the number is 59, 69, 79. The number name is 59 crore, 69 lakh, 79,900. This was the question 1. And question number 2. Question number 2 you will do in your book. I am going to repeat. Question number 2 you will do in your book. Okay. So take out your book. Page number 16. Question 2. Compare each of the following pairs of numbers using less than, greater than or equal to. That means we have to compare 2 numbers. Okay. Question 2 you will solve in book. Page number 16. Okay students. So I am going to solving this question. Question C of 2. We have 2 numbers here. Okay, and we have to fill our symbol. Okay, now we have to compare. If we will compare, we always start from the largest place. Start from largest place from the last. We will start from the largest place. This one is hundreds, thousands and million. This is the international place value. This is the international number. Okay, so this one is million. We have million 8, we have one 8 millions place, we have one 8 millions place. Both are similar, we can't identify because both are equal. So we will come 800,000. We will come 800,000. Okay, we have 7 here and again we have 7. So we can't compare which one is greater. So we will come 8,000s place, 10,000s place. We have 5 here and also we have 5 at 10,000s place. So we can't compare, both are equal. So come 8,000s place, we have 6 and also we have 6. We can't compare. Now come on hundreds place. We have hundreds place 2 in first number and in second number we have 3. Yes students, tell me which one is greater, 2 is greater or 3 is greater? Yes, 3 is greater, 3 is greater. So this one is our greatest number. This one is our greatest number. Okay students. Question number 3. Now come on question number 3. Now come on question number 3. Arrange the following in ascending and descending order. We will solve, continue on our page. We will solve, continue on our page, same page. Okay. So let's start. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Question number 3. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, so let's start. Question D. 9, 8, 3, 4, 5. These numbers are international number because we have 3 digits here. Next number is 89, 3, 4, 5, 120. Next number is 98, 3, 4, 5, 120. And next is 98, 5, 4, 3, 120. Okay, so let's start in ascending order. In ascending order. Ascending order means we always start from the smallest number. We will always start from the smallest number. So solution is, we are going to in solving in ascending order. Okay, we always start from smallest number. We have to find out the smallest number from all numbers. So we will always start from largest place. Always start from largest place. This one is million. This one is million. 9 million, 8 million, 9 million. Again we have 9 million. Again we have 9 million. This one is 89. Sorry. Okay. 9, 8, 8 and 9. 9 is greater number. So we will not compare both numbers because we are doing ascending order. In ascending order we always write smallest number. 8 is smaller or 8 is smaller. Okay students. So both are equal. 8 or 8 both are equal. We will compare now million. This was 10 million and this one is million. Million, we have 9 million. Again we have 9 million. Both are equal. Okay, so let's come on 100,000 place. 100,000 place. Okay, if you will read all numbers, you can easily read international place value. Okay, now we have 38 here. Again we have 38 here. We have here 400. Sorry students, this was the 435. So we have here 3 and we have here 4. 800,000 place. 800,000 place. Now 3 is greater or 4? Yes, 4 is greater, or we are doing ascending order, and we will write smallest number. 3 is smallest number, so 89,300,000, 45,120. Okay, next will come 89,435 and 120. Okay, next what will come? Now we will compare both numbers, because we have 9 and also we have 9. Okay, 9 both are equal. Again we have 8 and 8 both are equal. So we will come on next place. We have 3 8 here, 100,000 place. This one is 100,000 place, and we have 5 8 100,000 place. So 3 is smaller than by 5. So we will write this number. 98,345, 120, and last number will come 98. I am writing here 98,543, 120. Okay, students. Okay. Now question number 4. We write on this page. Same page. Question number 4 we will write on same page. Students, do fast. Okay. Question number 4 is arrange the following numbers in descent. Question 4 is arrange the following numbers in descending order. What is the meaning of descending order? In descending order we always write greatest to smallest number. So let's start, students. Okay. Now first number is, we are doing A. 43,006, 789, 43,060, 789, 43,060, 789, 43,006, 789. Okay, students. So let's start. We are going to solving descending order. Okay. Now we write largest number first. So find out the largest number from the all numbers. Okay. We will start from always largest place. We have 4, 4, 4 and 4. We have 4. All are equal. So we will come on next place. We have here 3. Again we have 3. Again we have 3. This one is million. Million place. And again we have 3. We can't compare because all numbers are same, equal. We have 0, 0, 0 and 0. 800,000 place. We can't compare. Now we will compare thousands, 10,000s. Okay, we have 0 and we have here 6. Again we have 6. Again we have 0. 0 are smaller. So we will compare 6 digit. This one digit, this one and this one. Okay. Now come on. Next place is 0, 0. Now come on hundreds place. Sorry, this one is 600. This one is 600. This one is 600. So this one is our largest number because we have 800,000 place. 800,000 place. So largest number is 43,600,789. Next we have to compare again. Okay, now this one is 43 million. This also 43 million. This had done. Okay, and we have also. Now compare again. Both are we have at the both places 0. So both are smaller number. Now we will take this one number 43 0 60 7 8 9. Okay students, now this one and this one is complete. Now we will compare both numbers. Okay. Yes, both are completed. Now we will compare both numbers. Okay, from these numbers are equal. So we will come on next place. Next place is 10,000. We have 0 in first number and in second number we have 6. Which one is greater? Yes, 6 is greater than 0. So next number will come this one. Okay, because we are doing descending order. And in descending order we always write largest number. Okay students. Now last number we have this one. So this one is 9. This was the descending order. So students, the activity 4 is completed. We will do continue in our next class. Okay students.